In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up product add-ons on Squarespace. Product add-ons let you offer complementary items right on a product page. Think gift wrapping, matching accessories, or extended warranties, so customers can bundle what they need without leaving the page. It's a simple way to increase order value and create a smoother shopping experience. Start by opening your site's dashboard and looking to the left-hand side. Click Products and Services. This takes you into the commerce area where all product-related tools live. From there, select Products to see the full list of items in your store. You'll find physical products, digital products, and services organized in one place, which makes it easy to spot what you want to enhance with add-ons. Now choose the product you want to work with. Hover your mouse over that products row until you see a 3 dots icon appear. Click those 3 dots, then click Edit. This opens the product editor, where you control everything about that item, from images and descriptions to pricing and, in this case, add-ons. Inside the product editor, navigate to the Selling Tools section. This is where Squarespace groups features that influence how the product is sold and presented to shoppers. Here, you'll see Product Add-ons. Click Add, and you'll be prompted to select the existing products you want to offer as add-ons. Because add-ons are made from products you've already created, their pricing, variants, and stock are respected automatically. That keeps your inventory accurate and your pricing consistent across the store. When choosing which items to attach, think about what genuinely complements the main product. If you're selling a camera, straps or memory cards make sense. For a service, consider a priority add-on or a follow-up session. Keeping add-ons relevant helps customers understand the value quickly and reduces decision fatigue. Aim for clarity in naming and imagery on the add-on products themselves, since those titles and thumbnails are what shoppers will see. Brief, descriptive names work best, and a clean image helps customers make fast, confident choices. If an add-on has multiple options, set those options up on the add-on product before you link it, so customers can pick the right variant when they add it to their cart. That's it. Once you've added your selections, your product page will offer them as optional extras, making it easier for customers to build a bundle that fits their needs. If you don't see product add-ons in the Selling Tools section, make sure you're working with a product type that supports add-ons and that your site's commerce features are enabled. You're all set to start boosting your average order value with thoughtful, useful add-ons.